bowl right here. I don't know what they were thinking. And I'm gonna hit the short turn. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be porting on a B16 Honda Civic VTEC head. This thing's made in China, so it's kind of beat up. So this fixed this thing up. This is the head. I already did a valve job, and it has a huge brick wall pretty much on the top side of this seat right in the chamber side, and it's just gonna kill flow. So I got some dummy valves in here, so when I'm porting, it will protect the seats that I ground. I guess I'm not supposed to look under here, but this is what I did already. I did a little short. This is just the start of the porting. Like I said, we're just smoothing out this transition to help that air flow off that 45. All right, here's what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm just blending this top angle up into the cylinder head. Like I said before, it was just a real sharp edge. And this is the exhaust seat, so the air's flowing in, and you want it to just transition smoothly into the seat and then out the exhaust pipe. Like I said, with this sharp edge, it would just have a real awkward transition and not flow as good. Like I said, I'm not doing much, but like I said, this little bit's gonna help a lot. You'd be surprised. And then same on the intake. I'm just blending up here. Also on the exhaust and the intake, there's a big sharp edge. I'm not done, but I'm blending this. Like I said, it's just another really sharp edge and crappy transition. So I'm just helping this thing flow a little bit better so we can get the most out of this Chinesium cylinder head I'm working with. My customer got this cylinder head in a trade. He got a cylinder head, Ferrara stainless steel valves, mainly dual valve springs and titanium retainers. I really wish I had a factory head, but like I said, this is what I'm working with. He's gonna throw this thing on a B20 turbo build, and he's gonna run the piss out of this thing. So put your bike on hyperlapse and get to grinding on these other cylinders. And I'm gonna hit the short turn radius on the exhaust side. Like I said, we got the 30, the 45, and the 60, and then there's this huge spot right here to here that's just totally flat, and then it humps up and then down in the port. Like I said, I'm gonna blend this right in here, kind of where my finger is, where the screwdriver is right here. I'm gonna blend this transition so it doesn't hump and then, you know, go over it. It'll help it flow a little bit better and help this perform like it should have. Now I'm going to be hitting the short turn radius on the intake just a little bit. Like I said, there's a little bit crappy transition, so I'm going to smooth that out. Here's what this thing looks like when it's all done. Looks a hell of a lot better. The customer didn't really pay me to do all this work. I went a little bit overboard. The short turn radius turned out awesome compared to what it was. Same on the intake side. I had a big shelf. Kind of blended that in and helped the transition. And then I really worked over these chambers. As you can see, like I said, I could 100% spend a couple more hours, no problem, and get this thing just 100% perfect. But like I was saying, this guy didn't really pay me to do all this work, so I went a little overboard. Wrap this video up here. Like I said, I finished up porting that thing. On the next video, there will be a part 2. I'm going to be tapping that oil galley hole, plugging that up, resurfacing the cylinder head, washing this thing up, and putting this thing all back together. So come back again. I really appreciate it, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.